Good morning, scholars. Today is Wednesday. So today in math, we are going to continue to work with our number sentences from real world problems. So, with that being said, real world problems are things that, happen in real life. Like, for example, the first one on your homework reads, Tommy planted 8 flowers. He planted some in his garden and some in flower pots. Draw how many Tommy may have planted the flowers. Fill in the number sentences to match your picture. So, to begin with, we need to remember that it says Tommy had 8 flowers. So we are going to first draw 8 flowers. Mr. Spivey is going to draw 8 X's. Okay, to represent flowers. So these are going to be my flowers. Now, it says he planted some in his garden and some in flower pots. So first, let's draw a little garden. And my garden is just going to be a square. And my flower pots, let's say I have 3 flower pots. Okay, so here's my garden, and here are my flower pots. So let's see how I distribute these. Now you can do it differently or you can do it the same way. It does not matter. So the first thing is we are going to put some in our flower pots. So let's say, we're going to put 1 in each of our flower pots. Okay, so I'm going to completely take off 1x and put it over there. So I got 1, I've got 2 in my flower pot, and now I have 3 in my flower pots. Okay, so I took these X's off, so I'm going to go ahead and erase those so we don't have to use those anymore. And then we have a few more flowers up here that have to go in our garden now. So with the remaining one of these, let's go ahead and put them in here. So let's count how many I have up here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 up here. So let's go ahead and draw 5 flowers in this box here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now that I've got all those, I've put them all in my garden there. And now they're all in my garden, so I don't need them up here anymore. So now our job is to write 2 number sentences. Now the first one is blank equals blank plus blank. Okay, so I know I have 5 flowers in here, and I have 3 over here. So remember that, that's very important. So first, how many flowers did he start off with? So it said Tommy planted 8 flowers. So we know that we have 8 total flowers. So we can put our 8 right in that box there. So 8 equals, how many did I have in here? Oh, that one's got a little bit of erase. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know I have 5 in here. So let's go ahead and draw a 5. And then let's see how many I have in my flower pots over here. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I can just put my 3 right there. Okay? And now it's asking for just the opposite. So it's going to say blank plus blank equals blank. So we know we have 8 altogether. So we can go ahead and just put our 8 in that box automatically. And then you just put these numbers down in those boxes. So you can do 3 plus 5 equals 8, or you can do 5 plus 3. Okay, so you can either do it how I have it wrote, 3 plus 5 equals 8, or you can do 5 plus 3 equals 8. It does not matter. So friends, that's a little bit more on our number sentences. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, friends.